I love stuff that has style, and this one looks like it's gonna have style, but we gotta unbox it, we gotta open it up and get it out and show you guys what it looks like to see if it's up to par with my personal
so let's
taste.
unbox this and show you what you get. So they give you a nice little owner's guide right in there. Ooh, check out this case. So it feels like it's either leather or similar related. There it is. There is the holy grail. Beautiful style. Nice deep green. Contrast with gold. With green trim. With a black leather. Very nice. Definitely looks like it's made of high quality materials. Let's go ahead and pull off this plastic. So guys, this is the watch. Now at first the watch, the leather is going to be more tight. So you're going to have to wear it and let it mold to your body, because when leather is new, it's more stiff. And as time goes on, it loosens up better. But overall, just a really nice, beautiful watch. So you pull out the watch pin right there and you can automatically set it then. So you can set the time. The long handle is your seconds. So guys, the long thin one is your seconds. The long thicker one is your minutes. And the short thicker one is your hour.